Good evening, Dr. Ulrich. This week we are week 6. What are your thoughts on school counselors, psychologists providing counseling, psychological services in a school setting for students that are dealing with grief? Um, I 100% think that counselors and psychologists should provide counseling. Uh, Only makes sense. That's what we're there to do. That's what we should be doing, no matter if it's at home, school, playground, classroom, anywhere. If they have a problem, we need to try to help them come up with ways to fix it. Maybe come up with some ways for us to fix it. Um, we need to make sure that they feel safe, and if they're grieving, actually they feel safe and that they can come to school, be happy, and learn. And if that takes us doing more work and helping them deal with whatever they're dealing with, no matter what it is, I think that's our job. Um, Really, I think even if it happens uh, at home, meaning something that's out of our control, maybe uh, seeing some guns, I don't know, seeing somebody get shot in the street or somebody getting hurt in the street, something that really doesn't have anything to do with school. I still think it's our duty to make sure that they can come to school and not be shaken up and be ready to learn. It doesn't take that much, really. If they're really, really, really that bad, maybe we can get a hold of their parents and let them know what's going on and help them out. So that's week 6. Thoughts on school counselor, psychologist providing counseling for students in grief. Have a good night.